Alloyman Cordless wrench is no joke. With a max torque of 480 power, I'm telling about 2,000 RPM of speed. Comes with a bunch of socket, comes with extra stuff, and comes with a flashlight right here built in. And you can feel the power. It's not cheesy, it's heavy duty. Comes with 3 different speed. You could adjust the speed level. Tells you the battery power. Also, it tells you the battery is full or charged or not. Check out in the comment or the link in the description of the full video to get a discount code. This is the real deal.